Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll compare financial advisors with robo-advisors and which one is best for managing your wealth. If you're serious about growing your money, choosing the right option is very important. So today we are breaking down how they work, their pros, cons, and which one is right for you. Starting with financial advisors, they are basically real humans who offer customized investment strategies, retirement planning, and tax advice. They are great for high net worth individuals or those who want hands-on expert guidance. But the downside is they charge high fees and often 1% of your assets or more. Comparing with the robo-advisors, robo-advisors are basically automated investing platforms that use algorithms to manage your portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. They are low cost and easy to use, and they are great for beginners, which is their pros. But the downside is that they lack human interaction and may not provide complex financial planning. Comparing these two, and if you'll ask me which one is better, so if you need a personalized, hands-on financial planning and don't mind paying higher fees, then obviously go for financial advisors. But if you want a low cost and automated investment solution with minimal effort, then go for robo-advisors. But for most people, robo-advisors are a great starting point, whilst financial advisors make sense as the wealth grows and you have enough money to invest in to take risks with it. And with that, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.